Hey guys, I'm Darshan. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll discuss something about remaining happy. My logo is always happy. So people keep asking me, how can you remain always happy 24 hours 365 days? Yes, my answer is yes. I remain happy 24 hours 365 days no matter what happens. So in all circumstances, if you remain happy, it means you are always happy. Now there are certain things you need to make effort for, because unless and until you have the habit of being happy, you cannot remain happy. So first and foremost thing which my daughter taught me, to be busy. Do not spare time for idleness. An idle mind, an empty mind is a devil's workshop. There is no doubt about it. So don't keep your mind empty at all. Keep doing something. Divide your time, your 24 hours, into such a way that you don't get time to think, to feel sad, or to be bored at all. So, my dear friends, you need to make hard work. So, these are the small, small things which can make you happy. Don't ever recall or remember your sad memories. When they come, just skip them out of your mind and start doing something else. So, in everybody's life, there is some sadness and some happiness in the past. Don't remember past at all. Past is gone. We have only present. So, remain in present. Be happy whatever may happen. Even if you are not well, think that this unwellness is also a part of life, and it will also go as other things come and go. So try to remain happy in all circumstances. If you will try, you will definitely remain happy. So nothing is stable in this world, remember. So whatever comes has to go. When a child takes birth, he or she has to go from this world. So everything is sort of coming and going. So if sad period comes, it will definitely go. Think like that. Let the time pass, everything will pass. So don't even remember your past, which is sad, or which is, which makes you which makes you sorrowful. So try to remain cheerful. Bring joy in your life. Try to do something which makes you happy. Listen to the music. Go out for a cup of coffee. When you're not well, you are not comfortable, dress up very well. Just, wear your best dress up well, go out, have a round, just put on the music, go for a long drive, and just dance if you want to dance, or if you like dancing. So these kind of small things which make you habit, which makes you happy, you know better. So I know something which makes me happy, I know. So you also must know what are the things which makes you happy. Just be cheerful and always try to make others happy. That is also one of the reasons when you remain always happy. So, my dear friends, don't depend on others, that somebody will come in your life and make you cheerful, make you laugh, make you happy. No, be happy within yourself. This happiness comes from within. So, try to be happy from in your heart, within you. That happiness will come out. And try to help others. When you help others, definitely you will feel very satisfied that you are the person who is making somebody comfortable and happy, and who are the person whom you are they need help and you are able to do that help. Try to, if you are free, try to join some NGO to help in any ways, whatever you can do, financially, physically, mentally, and you can teach the children, or you can just play with them, teach yoga. All these things will make you very, very happy. So divide your day into your activities. Right from the morning till sleep time comes, don't sit idle at all. Be happy, be cheerful. From within, you will start realizing when you are active, when you are busy, that you have no time for idle things, you have no time for other things. So my dear friends, these are the only small things which makes me very happy. Nowadays, I don't have time at all for anything. Even my schedule is so tight, though I am a housewife, but still, my schedule is so tight that I don't have time to do anything extra. Still, I want to do so many things, but I'm trying to spare some time for that, those activities also. And give some time for meditation also. Do your yoga, do your meditation, do your walk, do your exercises, do your make something good in the kitchen, some new recipe you can try, and anything you can do. If you decide to do, if you decide that you are not going to sit idle, you will definitely remain busy and remain happy always. So try to become happy like me, always happy. Thanks for watching. Please thumbs up, subscribe, and share my channel.